So as I promised, uh, I'll try to make the video as short as possible. I also want to put a disclaimer. I'm not professional in this thing. I'm also learning it. I'm also just picking up some things there. So this video is supposed to help us understand. Unfortunately, when I recorded it, there was no audio on my computer, so I don't know what happened. But I'll try to add audio to it as I'm doing now. So first and foremost, um, I assume many of us know how to um, go to the login page, login.mailchimp.com. I'm not going to go through creating an account again. Many of us know that already. So on the page now, you can see I have my username, I have my password, and this is where my main account that I created when I started. So as you can see, username, I put my username, I put my password. If it's your computer, you can put keep me logged in. So you log in. This is better on computer, as I said before. So when it logs in, there's a two-factor authentication. That is, the computer wants to know that it's really you that is logging in. So you ask it if you want to send a verification code to your number to verify it is you. You can also skip it for the next 2 weeks if it's your computer, if you are sure that it's yours. So what I'm waiting for now, I just tell it to send the code to me. The code will go to my mobile phone. So I'll wait for the code to come in and I enter that code. It's another way of verifying that this account or this page, I'm the one that owns it. So I'm just waiting on my phone, looking at my phone now, waiting for the code to come in so that I can enter here and verify and continue with what I want to do. So let's just wait for it, please. It takes about maybe 15 to 30 seconds. So the code has come. I'm entering the code. The code changes every time, so it's not just one code. Okay, so I'll quickly explain what happens. It goes straight to my dashboard. Dashboard is where all my information, everything I want to do appears. At the top here, you see the chimpanzee symbol, my dashboard. That is what you are seeing now. The next thing is create. If you want to create a new listen, audience campaigns, campaign is what I talked about, automations, websites, content studio, integrations. All those ones are technical terms. So first I'll go to my campaigns that I mentioned about. If you had created this thing and you stop, it should be under your campaigns. Anything that you create that you stop and you didn't finish and you have to go and sign in again, it's under your campaigns. So my own already has 4 contacts and 4 subscribers. You can see your different campaigns, all your campaigns, ongoing campaigns, your drafts campaigns, that is the one you've done, you've not finished, and your completed campaigns comes after that. So I was expecting to see completed, but some of my are not completed. So I'll go back to my all. So you can see that I have one already that I published on April, and that's the link. That's the page. Let me just show you. So it will open up. It will take you to the page that I created, the landing page I created. So you can see now this one already completed, has 195 visits. See the graph on to monitor how people clicked, how people visited. I have 125 clicks. I have 3 subscribers. So it's not done yet. That's why it's still under draft or it's still under ongoing. So you can see the graph shows the activity all through the different days and how people responded or visited my link. So that's one of the benefits of the landing page. So I was actually showing here, I was trying to go to the landing page that I created. I wanted to create a new one. But you can see here now, I'm still a new person, still looking around and trying to. Okay, so let me just open the link and show you guys what the landing page I created looked like. So this is what it looked like on the, and they created this on the first or second day after some people commented and corrected my errors. So this is it basically. I've not finished, it's still a work in progress. And you can now go back to how to create a new, or how to see how to create a new campaign. So I go to create. Okay, so my dashboard, I go to create. Now create, you can select what you want to create. Do you want to create a new email page? You want to create a new landing page? That's what we are here for. And that's the function to collect new contacts to promote the product or discount or whatever you want to do, your business. So I want to name my landing page. My landing page, okay, let me call it, different names are appearing. Let me call it Fuse Links Incorporated. And I have my audience selected already. I begin. First I have to select, because it comes in different templates. Templates that is, page has already created some demo pages for you that you can select based on what you want to do. There's a, this is one we used last time, accept payments. You can use lead generation, you can accept payments, you can, okay, this also accept payments. That's, like I said, the one we use for the tutorial. So based on what you want to do, you can, there are so many templates that you can choose from. That is, you may not need to start from the scratch. So let's use lead generation, because that's what we want to do. You actually want to generate more leads, get more people who are aware, want to get more contacts. So it loads up, and remember that this audio was created while I was watching the video. So it may not follow exactly. I don't know why the thing didn't record. So you can see that as I move my mouse around, some new icons appear. This is my, apparently I've already created this thing before. I don't know why it brought me back here. But apparently I've already used this template before. So I can edit the content, I can duplicate it, I can delete this, whatever I found in the template, because I want to create mine. So I'm deleting them. Whatever I need, I'm deleting, because I want to create my own template now. So I'm one by one, I'm deleting all the items from the block. Remember that I also learned this thing on the first. In fact, I never knew that Mailchimp was used for designing. So I can delete the background too. Everything I've created before, that was there before, I'm going to delete, so that we can at least have a blank background that we can use. All the social media handles I created, I delete that, I remove that from there. This is the, I think this one you can't remove it, so that's the background, that's the main template you're working with. So this one too, I delete it. Okay, so I delete that. So now I have a template, a blank template that I can use. So yeah, so on the right now you see blocks that you can use. There's a text block, there's a box text, all these different things that you can use depending on what you want to create. Now, text block, if my, I can create a, sorry, I drag it to the wrong place. So all my text should be in a box. I can use box text, I can use divider, I can create an image. Or if I want my image to come in groups, maybe a group of images, I can create an image card. That is, my image comes with text on it. Whatever I want to do, my social media follows, I can put them there and I'll edit them. You can play around with it, you can test it. It's not a must that you start today and do everything compulsory today. Play around with it, get more familiarized with it. You can delete it, put another one. Like this one, I made so many mistakes. So it says drag content block here. So I drag on the content, drop content block up there. Yes, so there now, I can now type. You can see this is a block text. You can use it to add text, the rest of them. That is it up there. So I can now edit and put whatever I want to type. Okay, this is a test landing page. You automatically save just in case your NEPA fails your hand. So here you can select what you want it to be. You Remember, you highlight it. You want it to be a bold text, you want it to be italics, you want it underlined, you want to put an image, whatever you want to do. You can play around with it. You can bold, you can say bold. You want it in annotated, that is points. Then it appears there. You can put it on, you can put it off. You want it a number, you want to number it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whatever you are putting, you can put it off. You can make it underlined. You can make it italics. You can put a highlighter, then put a highlighter yellow or bright yellow. So you can see anything you do on this side appears there. So I can also put an image. So you can add an image to what you type, that text you type. Let me use my company's image, for instance. In fact, I'm just learning this one now. I didn't know about it before. So you can check the size of the image you want to insert. You can see it as a link. So let's save and insert the image now. You can see. So it's so entertaining, or so easy to learn that you can play around with it. You can make mistakes. You can delete. You can start another campaign. You can edit what you have done before. So you can select the style of what you have typed. You can select how do you want it, the typing to appear. So let's go back and type our text, the text that we use. I, I pray there's a way that I can make this video less bulky. So I can move the highlight now. So this is a test. Like I said, I can make it bold. I can change the style. I can select how I want it to appear, the color, the size. Do I want it aligned? Like I said, the alignment now. Do I want it left? Do I want it in the middle? Do I want it on the right? Or do I want it justified? So all these are ways you can edit your text. Let's leave it in the middle. So I can also put images. I can put so many things. I can design anyhow you want to. Please feel free to reference this one and the other video that was taught to us. Because of time, I will not be able to really go through so many things. Unfortunately, this video is so large and it's almost half a gig now. So you can also save. Then when you save and close, you can come back anytime to continue your settings. Remember how you logged in? You see it on your dashboard. Look at it here, for instance. This is what you have done so far. So you go back to your campaigns. Campaigns is what you use for projects. That is unfinished projects. Let's look at ongoing. Is it an ongoing? No, it's not. It's not. It's not an ongoing project. Let's go and look at drafts. Draft. So yes, you can see it now. That's the draft. That is the one I've not finished. The one you just closed now. So basically, you open on your draft. Remember, on computer is far easier on computer. So you can see your page title, everything. You can preview it. You can go to edit design and continue your editing. So let's open edit design. It takes you back to what you were doing before. From there, you can continue your work. You can finish what you are doing, then publish it if you want to. So this is just a summary of what I was trying to show you, and I hope this helps as much.